Tired of messy, leaky food containers ruining your lunch? Ever opened your bag to find salad dressing everywhere? Or spent ages searching for matching lids and containers? Food stains and lingering smells making storage a hassle? Containers that crack or warp after a few uses? Stacking mismatched containers wasting precious kitchen space? Worried about harmful plastics touching your family's food? Meet Rubbermaid Brilliance food storage containers. A smarter, cleaner way to store your meals. Crystal clear stain shield plastic. See exactly what's inside. No more mystery leftovers or forgotten meals. 100% leak-proof dual latch locking system. Toss them in your bag. No spills, ever. BPA-free for safe, healthy food storage. Microwave-safe vented lids. Reheat without splatters. Durable, stain, and odor resistant for daily use. Stackable design saves space in your fridge and cabinets. Before, jumbled, mismatched containers everywhere. After, neat, organized, and easy to find meals. Before, leaks in your work bag and sticky messes. After, confidently packed soups, salads, and snacks. Before, guessing what's inside cloudy containers. After, instantly spot leftovers and meal preps. Before, struggling with warped lids and cracked bases. After, durable containers that last meal after meal. Before, worrying about chemicals in your food. After, peace of mind with BPA-free materials. Perfect for home cooks, meal preppers, and families. Ideal for busy mornings and on-the-go lunches. Great for keeping snacks fresh for kids. Stack them high. Free up valuable shelf space. No more digging for lost lids. No more wasting money on single-use plastics. No more stained, smelly containers. Rubbermaid Brilliance stays clear and clean. Built for everyday use, dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Store, stack, and organize with confidence. Enjoy fresh meals at home or on the go. Amazon offers free shipping on eligible items. Save up to 50% with everyday low prices. Order from the Amazon Storage and Organization Store. Get fast delivery with Amazon Prime. Upgrade your kitchen with premium storage solutions. No more food waste. See and use your leftovers. No more frustration. Just grab and go meals. Keep your fridge tidy and your meals fresh. Perfect for portion control and healthy eating. Great for prepping lunches for the whole week. Excellent for storing cut fruits and veggies. Use for sauces, soups, and even desserts. Take meals to work, school, or picnics. Containers nest for compact storage when not in use. Dual latch system keeps food secure and fresh. No more accidental spills in your kitchen or bag. See-through design means no more guessing games. Rubbermaid Brilliance. Built for real life. Trusted by families and professionals alike. Say goodbye to clutter and chaos. Say hello to organized, stress-free storage. Make meal prep easier and faster. Spend less time cleaning, more time enjoying meals. Invest in quality containers that last. Perfect gift for new homeowners or busy parents. Join thousands of satisfied customers on Amazon. Upgrade your storage game today. Click the link to shop Rubbermaid Brilliance now. Enjoy free shipping and exclusive deals. Organize your kitchen and simplify your life. Rubbermaid Brilliance. Food storage that just makes sense. Order yours now and see the difference. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.